I don't do it for the glory, I just do it anyway. Providing for our futures, my responsibility. Yeah, I'm real good under pressure, being all that I can be. I can't call in sick on Mondays when the weekends get too strong. I just work straight through the holidays, sometimes all night long. You can bet that I stand ready when the wolf crowns at the door. Yeah, I'm solid, yeah, I'm steady, and I'm true down to the core. And I will always do my duties, no matter what the price. I've counted up the cost, I know the sacrifice. Oh, and I don't want to die for you, but if dying's asking me, I'll bear that cross with honor, 'cause freedom don't come free. I'm an American soldier, an American, beside my brothers and my sisters. I will proudly do what's right. When liberty's in jeopardy, I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front line, sleeping in tonight. American soldier, I'm an American soldier. Yeah, an American soldier, an American, beside my brothers and my sisters. I will proudly take a stand when liberty's in jeopardy. I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front line, sleeping here tonight. American soldier, I'm an American, an American.